Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are going to explore how to create a group in the Truth Social app. If you have been wondering how to bring people together on this platform, you are in the right place. First, open the Truth Social app on your phone. Once you are inside, look for the people icon located on the bottom sidebar and tap on it. Next, you will see the option to create a group. Tap on Create Group to begin. Then, you need to enter the name of your group and write a short description that explains what the group is about. After that, you can add a photo for your group by tapping on the photo field and selecting an image from your gallery. Next, click on the Next button to proceed to privacy settings. Here, you can choose whether your group will be public, private, or public, but requiring approval for new members. Once you have selected the appropriate setting, finally, click on the Create button to complete the process. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.